Hello and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Irina Koring from the Product Management IO and I'm responsible for the EtherCAT terminals. The EAL8601 is one of my products, the 12-channel multi-interface terminal. Like the name already suggests, this terminal supports many different I/O signals. Which these are, I will explain within the next minutes. Furthermore, this product is also available as IP67 box with the same signal range, so you can easily adapt all the explanations one-to-one also to this box. The 12-channel multi-interface product supports 9 different signals. These are split into 5 signal groups. So we have one group of digital inputs, but also multifunctional digital inputs and outputs are available. Furthermore, analog signals are supported with one analog input and also one analog output. Based on the combinations, up to 12 signal connections are possible. All this is packed for the IP20 products in only 12 mm width and for the box in 60 mm. So the product is really high flexible and compact. Let's have a look directly on the TWINCAT to check which signal ranges are available and how the configuration is working. The EAL8601 is here already added to the configuration. The terminal is configured via the slots tab. It's based on the slot and modules model. It means that we have these 5 groups, these are the slots, and we have on the right side the different modules. The selection on the right side shows only valid combinations. Each slot group offers its own choices and can be configured independently of the other groups. Starting with the slot group 1, you will find that you can configure here on the one have the counter in combinations with digital inputs or outputs, but also an encoder with A and B track and a latch and gate functionality can be configured. For sure, also simply digital inputs or outputs are also possible. The second group is a group of the digital inputs and also digital outputs are available. Here you have the additional options that you can use the digital output signals also as PWM output. The analog input group and output groups can be configured to be used as a current or voltage signal. The special feature of the slots and modules is that by selecting the desired module, the process data on the left side and the COE objects are automatically adjusted. If we look on the digital output group, for now the PWM signal is configured. So you can see on the left side in the tree the PWM signals, and also if we have a look on the COE settings, we will find all the different settings for the PWM signal. If you now want to use a simple digital output, you can go back to slots, choose your group and desired module. Just click here and then activate the configuration. And you see that here now we only see the bool output. And also, if we are looking on the COE objects, we will only find the settings for the output. So you can here configure the safe state behavior of the digital output, and you don't see all the other not required parameters. This way, you always only see the information that is currently valid, and all not needed configuration options are automatically hidden. This is really a simple and quick way to optimally configure the multi-I/O interface. All the different signal combinations of the multi-interface products make this product suitable for different applications. For example, for machines that are small and compact and only require few complex signals. But also special machine constructions where the high flexible signal configurations allow a minimal inventory, these products are ideally suited. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.